Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can improve your mockups with AI. If you ever wonder why your mockups don't look as eye-catching or professional as those you see on Pinterest or Dribble, this is how you can improve it using AI. So first you can start by picking your mockup base. You can use free mockup templates from Canva, Place It, or Moki AI. You can just pick a product mockup like a t-shirt, phone screen, or packaging design. Here I'm using Canva, so I'm going to just head into Elements, and here you'll see the mockup options. There are lots of mockups here in Canva. I'm going to just go with the apparel here. Let's try this. Okay, this t-shirt right here. Okay, so here is the mockup that I use. Okay, this is your base where AI magic will happen. And now comes the fun part, improving your mockup using AI. So if you're using Canva, you can use the Magic Edit or Magic Grab tool. For example, you can select the background in here and replace it with something more realistic. Let's go with Edit here. Okay. I'm going to add these in here, add image for the first. Okay, so here I've already added to mockup first. And now you can use the AI magic background here, or you can also just download it first and apply it again. Sorry, you can add it again into Canva later. This one first and add it into this canvas. Okay, so in here you can ask Canva maybe to make an image, give a design advice for this one, or maybe generate the text. Let's try to add it here. Try to add the background generator, and you can just describe a new background. You can change the background with something more realistic, like a real desk. If it's a possible fabric texture maybe, or a lifestyle scene. You can just type or type here the background that you want. Once your AI has done the heavy lifting, it's time to find the look. You can adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation so your design blends naturally. You can also add AI generated props like a coffee cups or boost your mockup feel more lifting and realistic. And finally, after that, you need to export your image in high resolutions. And just like that, your AI enhanced mockup is ready to impress. So that's it. That's how you can take any basic mockup and make it look like high-end with just a little bit of AI help. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and also click on thanks. I'll see you all in the next tutorial.